Hi and welcome back to our channel, where we explore all your budgeting, money, and productivity needs. In today's video we discuss another interesting budgeting method that you can use called the 70-20-10 budget rule. But is it an effective method? Well, follow along to find out more. The 70-20-10 budget rule is a percentage-based money management rule that divides your post-tax income into three categories. 70% for monthly bills and everyday spending, 20% for saving or investing, and 10% for debt repayment or donation. This budget can help you make room for your financial goals and priorities, while simplifying your cost of living and optional spending into one category. But how does the 70-20-10 budget rule work? The rule is easy to follow. All you need to do is calculate your net income, which is the money you make after taxes and other payroll deductions, and then organize it according to the following percentages. Use 70% of your income for monthly spending. This includes your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, insurance, and debt payments, as well as your variable expenses, such as groceries, gas, dining out, entertainment, clothing, and personal care. You don't have to track every dollar you spend, as long as you stay within the 70% limit. Next, set aside 20% of your income for savings and investments. This includes your emergency fund, retirement accounts, college savings, and other long-term goals. You can also use this money to pay off high-interest debt faster, if you have any. The key is to make saving and investing a habit, and to automate your transfers as much as possible. Lastly, mark 10% of your income for debt repayment or donation. This is where you can make extra payments on your low-interest debt, such as student loans, car loans, mortgages, or donate to causes you care about. You can also split this category between debt and donation, depending on your preference and situation. Some of the main benefits of using this rule are: 1. It is simple and flexible. 2. It will help you balance your spending and saving. And last, it also encourages you to be debt-free. You can also avoid overspending or undersaving. To get started with the 70-20-10 budget rule, you need to calculate your net income, track your current spending, create your savings or investment plan, and then decide on your debt repayment. For tracking your spending, it's usually best to use an app, notebook, or budgeting site that can record your expenses for a month, just to see how they compare and contrast. This will help you get everything organized so that you can get started easily. To conclude, the 70-20-10 budget rule is a simple and effective way to manage your money. By following this rule, you can balance your spending and saving, and achieve your financial goals and dreams. You can also build towards being debt-free and live a more fulfilling life. However, remember there are many budgeting methods out there to try. And there is no one-size-fits-all approach. So we encourage you to always keep adjusting and trying new rules and methods until you find the solution that works best for you. Would you try this budgeting rule? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.